Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix photos not showing on gallery on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, just open gallery and tap on the three dots. Now if you see the option of ungroup similar images, just tap on it. After that, tap on albums and tap on the three dots. Now just select hide albums. On this page, just make sure that there is no album which is hidden. Once you do that, just go back, then tap on menu. From here, just select trash. Now just check if you have not accidentally deleted any photos. If you have, just select the photo which you have deleted accidentally, then tap on restore. Now if this did not work, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now just go to apps and tap on the three lines. From here, just enable show system apps. Then tap on OK. Now just search gallery. Now just tap on gallery. Then tap on storage. Now just tap on clear cache and clear data. After that, go back. And in the search bar, just search Samsung Media Storage. Tap on Samsung Media Storage. Then select storage. Now just clear cache and clear all data. And this is how you can fix photos not showing on gallery on any Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.